In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the power of X or use Superscript in PowerPoint on Windows 10. Whether you're looking to add some mathematical flair to your slides or simply want to present information in a specific format, mastering Superscript can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and make your presentation stand out with this simple yet effective formatting tool. First things first, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. PowerPoint, as many of you know, is part of the Microsoft Office suite and is widely used for creating presentations. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you'll want to proceed to locate and open your specific PowerPoint presentation in which you desire to apply the Superscript formatting. Now, with your presentation open, navigate to the slide containing the text you wish to format. Click on the text box and then highlight the particular text or number where you want to add the Superscript effect. Highlighting the text ensures that any formatting changes you make will apply precisely to the intended portion without altering your entire text. Next, take your attention to the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Home tab. Under this tab, you will find various text formatting options, similar to what you see in Microsoft Word. Pay close attention to the font group as that's where we're heading next. In this section, you'll notice a small icon often referred to as the font dialog launcher. It typically looks like a diagonal arrow pointing outward in the bottom right corner of the font section. Click on it to open the font dialog box. With the font dialog box now open, look closely and you'll find a range of options. What you need here is to locate the checkbox labelled Superscript. It usually sits in the lower section of this box, dedicated to effects. By checking this box, you're telling PowerPoint to format the highlighted text as Superscript, lifting it slightly above the regular text line and reducing its size to creatively represent powers, exponents, or any information you deem necessary. After selecting the Superscript option, the final step on this customization journey is to hit OK. Clicking OK confirms the changes and you'll see your highlighted text transform into Superscript right before your eyes on the slide. This change not only enhances the visual appeal but also conveys your message accurately and effectively. And there you have it, you've just learned how to apply the power of X or any other character in Superscript style in your PowerPoint presentation using Windows 10. Being able to dynamically present information is crucial, and with this skill your presentations will not only inform but also impress. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to practice and explore more on PowerPoint to discover other handy features it has to offer.